Hey guys, ako si Kuya Kurt, inyong napakaputing kaibigan na may pusong Pinoy. Today guys, we have a very special treat for you here on the vlog. I'm here in downtown Malate, where outside of this house is a very special New York City famous chef known as the godfather of Filipino American cuisine, the famous chef si Romy Dorotan. So guys, pasok tayo. Titignan natin, kakwentuhan natin si Kuya Romy kung ano yung story niya, kung ano yung pinakamasarap na liniluto. And we're gonna see guys if it's masarap, if it's sulit. Tara na, kain tayo. Guys, we're outside of Chef Romy's house right now. Let's knock on the door, see if we can't get someone's attention. Hello po! Nice to meet you po, si Chef Romy Dorotan mismo, guys. Anong balita, Chef?
Mabuti naman, mabuti.
Ang gwapo mo sa personal. Alam nyo yan. Yan ang sabi nila sa'yo.
Konti lang.
My name is Romeo Dorotan. I'm 75 years old, but people call me in the province Roming or here Romy. When I was a grad student in Philadelphia, I got a job as a dishwasher in one of the busier restaurants in the city. And one day, the chef left. He took all his cooks to another restaurant. And the owner asked me, "Do you want to cook?"
Dito kayo gumagawa ng lahat ng mga bakery items or
yes.
dito kayo gumawa ng mga recipe mismo?
Ay, recipe at saka mga
Ay, wow. So, ito talaga yung headquarters.
dito.
Pwedeng
Dito
patingin
lang. Yeah.
sa kusina nyo? Mukhang malaki. Okay guys, nandito tayo sa napakagandang kusina ni Chef Romy. Kasamang isang bagong tao. Sino ba itong tao, kuya?
Si Lester to. Siya yung ating expert sa ube.
So anong gagawin tayo dito? Or anong gagawin natin dito?
Yung raw ube po.
Ito yung raw ube.
Apo. This is where it starts po. First, since the shape of the ube is very irregular, so to peel it easily, we cut it into segments like this.
I've been loving ube since I don't know when. In Bicol, we didn't grow up with eating ube. I only learned about ube in Manila. I'm just kind of very attached to it now. So what we do is we cook this, and then when it's soft, we put sugar and mash it and continue to cook until you get that stage of a jammy puree of ube. I learned pastries through my work in different restaurants and also a lot of reading. If you want to be a chef, I think you should really read a lot of books, read a lot of life, read a lot about anything.
Okay.
So, gagawa tayo ng buko and ube pie.
Buko and ube pie. Ano ba ang mga sangkap natin dito for buko and ube pie?
Oo.
Pie?
Meron tayong crust na made of butter and flour. So, yeah. Yan.
Butter and flour.
Butter and flour mostly. Mayroong konting salt and sugar. And then, we will, lagyan natin ng ube.
Ube.
Okay.
Mag-start lang tayo.
Ako muna.
Sige, kayong
ikaw
bahala.
maglalagay ng ube. Parang isang scoop.
So parang one scoop lang.
Oo. Spread it around
Okay.
so that, yeah.
So this is the consistency that we get once the ube halaya is fully cooked
Yes.
and ready to go.
Yeah. And
Okay.
then, so ikaw naman ang gumawa dito. Lagay mo. A little above.
A little above.
Above here.
So
Oo.
higit pa ng isang scoop.
Okay.
So parang ganon?
Okay. One scoop muna.
One scoop.
Para, then,
Para hindi sayang.
Pag kailangan pa.
Pa ganon?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Tapos, bigyan mo rin ako dito.
Okay.
So, and then we have this to top it with another part of the... Okay, so go ahead.
I take one?
You put it on top.
Ganito lang?
Yeah.
Pwede ba akong mag-sous chef dito?
Oh, yeah. Pwede ka lang, okay, tapos i-press mo sa the side para dumikit. Ha?
Para dumikit ng konti.
Side, isa. Dumikit, no? Ganon, ha?
Ganito lang.
Oo, yeah. Ipipress natin ito ng... Okay, gaganyan mo. Ipipress on the side.
On the sides.
Okay, yan. Tapos itong egg wash. Egg
Ah.
wash, ha? Nalagyan mo ng... Oh, ito, may konting milk, may konting egg yolk.
Ano yung purpose ng egg wash?
It's to keep this brown. I've been so fascinated with ube that I use it in making pandesal, making wrappers for lumpia. I've been making ice cream since time immemorial for ube ice cream. Score this so that
I score.
oh,
So, isa sa gitna.
sa gitna or kahit
Parang
anong gusto mo.
bulaklak yun, no?
Hmm.
Ako, gagayahin kita.
Yeah. Okay.
Kasi kayo ang chef. Ako ang vlogger.
So ngayon, pwede nang lagay isa. Yeah.
Okay guys, i-mix-mix natin para hindi natin alam kung ano yung kay chef at saka ano yung kay Kuya Kurt.
Okay, yeah. Pareho. So we'll put it in the oven.
How long does it go in the oven?
25 minutes.
25 minutes lang.
Yeah, pantay na. Ayan. Okay. The main thing that I pursue in cooking is this clean, citrusy, sour, simple food. My style is not difficult to understand, but it's more difficult to really just define it.
Tapos na tayo sa kusina.
Okay, yes.
Meron isang mukhang feast dito. Anong meron tayo dito ngayon?
Mayroon tayong ice cream muna bago.
Wow!
Ito ay champoy ice cream.
Champoy.
Oh, champoy is like a salted, dry plums. So this is our version of salt and caramel. You taste that salty?
Wow! Can you usually eat this kasamang ibang pang-imagas?
Oh.
Another dessert. What can you combine this with?
Maybe babka.
Maybe the babka. Now, I know babka, I think it's from the Jewish culture, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung babka, kasi sikat na sikat ito sa New York City.
Yeah. Ito is made with ube also. Basically, it's a braided.
Oh, that's
So,
right.
tingnan natin. Pero konti lang.
Here we go, guys. The babka.
Okay, now put the
The ice cream.
Mhm.
This is fantastic. Ito yung pinaka-paborito kong part ng vlogging.
Ganda ng
The
texture.
eating.
Ganda ng texture nitong babka.
It's fluffy and a little sweet.
Lagay mo. Tapos,
Ay, gawin natin ice cream sandwich.
Yes. Yan. Na.
Pinoy na Pinoy ito.
Oh, yep. Yes. Tingnan
So we have a
mo.
babka Pinoy ice cream sandwich.
Okay. Yeah. Sarap, ano? Okay. Now we go to
The
the...
ube pie mismo. Ito yung bida natin. Ay, wow.
Ayan.
Okay, so here we have the ube. Buko pie.
This is also good with vanilla ice cream.
Just straight vanilla.
Vanilla, yeah.
Cheers. Oh, wow. Nandyan yung creaminess.
Oh.
And then, of course, you can taste the buko. We also have
Biko.
malagkit na kanin. B-I-K-O. Actually, first time na kakainin ko ito yata. Biko.
Not too far from like suman. It's really, yeah.
Yeah. And then I noticed we have the cookies here. They look and smell fantastic.
It's made with also with barako. It's a liberica. It's a kind of coffee became famous in Batangas. Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, sige.
Okay. Isa-isa or kalahati lang?
Kalahati lang sa akin. Ito na lang.
Parang
Tama.
quarters lang yun. Okay.
Yeah. Sige, amuyin mo.
It does, may konting amoy ng kape dyan.
Oo.
Parang,
chewy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's very delicious. And you're combining it with the buko pie. So I'm gonna make a little bit of a forbidden bite here
Forbidden
with
bite.
the remainder of my ice cream. So guys, this isn't so much the forbidden bite as maybe it is just a special bite with the ice cream and the cookie.
I just kind of admire the texture of this babka. Usually they are more dense. It's more cakey. Cake, more like a cake.
So I think if I had to rank all of these in order, Chef Romy, it's a tie. 1-1-1-1-1.
Oh.
Lahat. Para sa inyo po, ano ba yung mas gusto nyo dito? Ano yung...
Parang the same, but I would appreciate it at certain time.
Ah.
I would appreciate this better time. I think they have their own
time.
unique time.
So
when-
parang
when
number
you
one
eat it.
sa puso nyo ang lahat pero may special time
Yes.
para sa babka. Ang ganda, guys. So we're gonna head over to your pwesto ngayon. The famous location, guys. And yung mga follower ko, kung gusto nila para sa kanilang sarili, kung gusto nila kayong hanapin, saan ba yung pwesto nyo?
Robinson Mall in Manila.
Pedro Hill. The
Yeah,
Robinsons on Pedro Hill. Tara na, let's go.
Okay,
Pwedeng
sige.
itutur nyo ako.
Okay.
Okay. Anong
Okay.
meron tayo sa menu ngayon?
Ito may dalawang klaseng bread. Chocolate at saka ube sa loob.
Chocolate at saka ube sa loob.
Oh, ito naman, ube bread na may adzuki beans
Oh, wow.
sa taas.
Ano yung, sa lahat ng mga baked goods nyo, ano yung pinakasikat sa mga suki nyo?
Ang buko na. Ang buko
The
at
buko,
saka
that's
uba.
the best seller.
Yeah, oh.
And do you only sell here in the mall or pwedeng online din?
Online.
Mga kuya, try nyo ito! Hali kayo! Hali kayo nga! Kamusta? Ha? I forgot my name. Nakalimutan niya ang pangalan. Gusto niyong subukan ang kasarapan ng niluluto ni Chef Romy, punta kayo dito or pwedeng online din ang bibilhin yung mga masarap na baked goods niya. Chef Romy, ano ang final shoutout niyo sa mga followers ko? Anong gusto niyo sabihin sa kanila?
Maraming salamat, Kuya Kirk, at mabuhay kayong lahat.
Ayun!
Mabuhay
Mabuhay tayo, guys.
lahat. Okay.
Guys, maraming salamat sa
Salamat,
pagsama
ha?
sa vlog na ito. Hanggang sa susunod, ako si Kuya Kurt, kasamang si
Kuya Kurt.
Chef Romy. Kain kwento, kita-kits guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Salamat. Maraming salamat.